filed a bankruptcy recently? Well, your financial life's not over. It's not even on pause for 7 years. You just turned a new leaf, and this is a fresh start, and I'm going to show you how to take advantage. My name is Sam Parker, CEO of My Credit Guy, and if you've just filed a bankruptcy, this is the fresh start that you've been looking for. The first thing that you need to do is review your credit report immediately. If there are items that don't look right, they still show the balance, or they're showing a 9 MOP rating, those things need to be removed or updated to the correct status right away. If they're still on the report showing like they did from before the bankruptcy, they're still hurting you just as much as they ever did. Sometimes even if they say included in bankruptcy. Number 2, I want you to reestablish credit as soon as possible. Some people are gun shy. They say that's what got me in this situation. And I would say no. What got you in this situation is misusing credit or running into a devastating time of your life. You have to use credit in order to build credit. So what I want you to do is get a small $200 to $500 secured card, make the payments every single month, and keep your utilization low. If you do that and then open up another card or another account, within 12 months, you could go from having 500 credit scores up to the 6 or even 700s. But just keep in mind, bankruptcy is not a death sentence, it's a rebirth. And if you want us to review your credit, please head over to mycreditguy.com. We'd be happy to start with a free review and get you that fresh start that you're looking forward to.